Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about 9 amazing best benefits uses for aloe vera. There are more than 300 species of the aloe plant, but Aloe barbadensis aloe vera is the best known and is prized in the health and beauty worlds for its healing properties. The spiky succulent plant grows naturally in dry, tropical climates in Africa, Asia, Europe, and the southern and western parts of the United States. Many centuries ago, people realized the plant had more to offer than just being nice to look at. The gel and juice found inside aloe vera became a popular herbal remedy that was used to help treat everything from skin issues to digestive problems. Let's take a look at the history of aloe vera and its potential benefits. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section if you're already subscribed. We will personally replay. What is aloe vera, and where does the plant come from? Aloe vera has been known for its healing properties for at least 6,000 years. In the early days, the plant was known for being a plant of immortality and was presented to Egyptian pharaohs as a funeral gift. Over time, groups from many geographical areas have used aloe vera, including Indians, Chinese, Mexicans, and North Americans, too. Humans have long known about the plant's healing benefits, and over the years have used aloe, which is also known as burn plant, lily of the desert, and elephant's gall, to help treat wounds, hair loss, hemorrhoids, and digestive issues. These days, aloe has an entire industry behind it. Its juices are used in cosmetics and personal care products such as moisturizers, soap, shaving cream, and suntan lotion. The aloe vera product that probably comes to mind most easily is the bright green gel that's stocked on drugstore shelves. You've probably used it to soothe a nasty sunburn. Aloe vera is also available in supplement form, which is said to offer the same possible benefits to the skin and digestive system as other versions of the plant. What are the potential health benefits of aloe vera? There's not enough evidence to prove that aloe vera can treat all the health issues it's said to help with. But the plant has been linked to many potential benefits, including 1. Heartburn relief. Gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD) is a digestive disorder that often results in heartburn. A 2010 review suggested that consuming 1 to 3 ounces of aloe gel at mealtime could reduce the severity of GERD. It may also ease other digestion-related problems. The plant's low toxicity makes it a safe and gentle remedy for heartburn. 2. Lowering your blood sugar. Ingesting 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice per day can cause blood sugar levels to fall in people with type 2 diabetes, according to a study. Trusted source in Phytomedicine, International Journal of Phytotherapy and Phytopharmacy. This could mean that aloe vera may have a future in diabetes treatment. These results were confirmed by another study. Trusted source published in Phytotherapy Research that used pulp extract. But people with diabetes, who take glucose-lowering medications, should use caution when consuming aloe vera. The juice along with diabetes medications could possibly lower your glucose count to dangerous levels. 3. Soothing psoriasis flare-ups. Applying an aloe extract cream several times daily might reduce redness, scaling, and itching inflammation due to mild to moderate psoriasis, the Mayo Clinic states. It may take a month or more to see improvements, however, so talk to your doctor about other treatment options if you're concerned. 4. Fighting acne. Beyond its antibacterial properties, the gel has salicylic acid, an exfoliant that unclogs pores and acts as an anti-inflammatory on acne-producing oil glands. Also look for products with benzoyl peroxide to kill pimple-causing bacteria and retinoids to prevent skin cells from clogging in the first place. 5. Keeping produce fresh. A 2014 study published online by the Cambridge University Press looked at tomato plants coated with aloe gel. The report showed evidence that the coating successfully blocked the growth of many types of harmful bacteria on the vegetables. Similar results were found in a different study with apples. This means that aloe gel could help fruits and vegetables stay fresh, and eliminate the need for dangerous chemicals that extend the shelf life of produce. 6. An alternative to mouthwash. In a 2014 study. Trusted source published in the Ethiopian Journal of Health Sciences, researchers found aloe vera extract to be a safe and effective alternative to chemical-based mouthwashes. The plant's natural ingredients, which include a healthy dose of vitamin C, can block plaque. It can also provide relief if you have bleeding or swollen gums. 7. Helping with cold sores. Dabbing on an aloe-containing cream could get that pesky lesion to go away faster due to those antiviral properties, some past research suggests. With all of its moisturizing and soothing benefits, aloe vera deserves some space on your counter for more than just the summer. 8. Sunburn relief. Some people swear by aloe to calm a sunburn. You might have experienced the gel's cooling effect yourself, but the research backing up the claim that it can speed skin recovery is lacking. One small study, for instance, found aloe vera didn't have any effect on treating a sunburn when compared with a placebo. 9. Potential to fight breast cancer. A new study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine looked at the therapeutic properties of aloe emodin, a compound in the plant's leaves. The authors suggest that the succulent shows potential in slowing the growth of breast cancer. However, more studies are needed to further advance this theory. There are a number of ways to use the aloe vera plant and the various gels and extracts that can be made from it. Researchers are continuing to discover new methods to put this succulent to use. Be sure to consult your doctor if you plan to use aloe vera in a medicinal manner, especially if you take medication. Please check the link down below in the description for more information. If you love with kind of videos like this, leave comment, share with your friends and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.